Make sure you put distance on the side. And can you tell why you don't have any numbers on this side?
The problem didn't give us.
Right, so if it doesn't give you numbers, you at least need to put what the title is for, okay? Didn't have any questions?
No, sir.
Very good, very good. Can't like clap for them or anything. All right, the third group.
Jessica and her friends were going to meet up for the CCM festival. Jessica and her friends were going to meet up for the CCMS festival. I can't do it.
Jessica and her friend were going to meet up for the CCMS basketball game. She imagined her neighborhood as a coordinate plane and charted out the position of her friend house.
First we wrote down our formula, then we labeled the points. After we solved and plugged in the points, then we subtracted 5 from 2 and got 3, and then subtracted 4 from 1 and got 3. And then we got the first 3 over 3, which equal to 1.
Let me ask you a question. What's that formula called?
It's a slow form.
That's the slope one, right? And how come you guys didn't pick 2 random ones?
Because it gave us which one.
It gave you guys, make sure when you are reading those problems, you read it fully. Because had they picked any other ones, it would have been wrong automatically. You got to read and see what they asked you. They only asked between Cassidy and who? Aiden. Cassidy and Aiden. And they didn't show it, but they had to do what with those points? To know what to plug them in, that you had to know what was what.
You had to know Cassidy and Aiden coordinates.
And you had to know what was Y2, Y1, X2, and X1. All right, does anybody have any questions? All right, very good, very good. Makai.
Landon was climbing the rock wall at Delta State University gym. After 3 seconds, he is at an altitude of 14 feet. After 5 seconds, he is in an altitude of 35 feet. What is the average rate of change slope?
We had put our slope. This is our slope right here, and then we put our norm 3 over 14 and 5 over 35. We got our answer 21 over 2 and our slope form. That was slope form, yeah. 35, tracked by 14 and 5, tracked by 3.
And so, what's your slope? I can't see it because it's so bright.
21 over 2.
It's
21
what?
over 2. 21 over 2.
21 over 2. Now, I didn't ask the last group, but so with that slope, we know that the graph of that line will be what?
Positive.
Positive. We know the graph of that line will be positive. What they could have also done is what? To find out, just to see if the line was straight, they could have also done what? Graphed it. They could have also graphed it and kind of seen if that slope was positive or not. And that's one thing you guys could do. When you're trying to see slope, if you want to graph it, you can go ahead and see if it's a positive slope, negative slope or not. Do you have any questions for them? Very good, very good. Ask you.
Don't hold.
Okay.
We did set D, question 3. The function D equals 30 minus
Let's say
15.
4.
40 minus 15x represents the amount of money, D in dollars, you have left after buying XCD. Determine if the function is discrete or continuous. Then make a graph and table.
Okay, so this one the wrong one. This we showed you how to not do it. So what we did was we multiplied 40, which is right here, and then we subtracted 15. What you're really supposed to do is you're supposed to multiply 15 by these numbers. Multiply these numbers by 15 and subtract 40. So this is the right way. So it's 1, negative 25, 2, negative 10, 3, negative 5, 4, negative 20, 5, negative 35. And it's discrete because you can't buy half of a CD.
Exactly. So guys, when something's discrete, you have to get it as a whole. So that means if something's continuous, what?
You can separate it.
You can get it as part. You don't have to buy the whole thing. It's like when you buying grapes. So those numbers are on that first column. They're called your what?
Why?
They're called your input numbers, right?
Yeah.
And so what variable is our input?
Why? X.
X. X is our input, right? And so for your problem, what you got as output? Jay, what's our output variable then?
It was supposed to be D, but this was around.
D. One thing I have to say though, is one small issue. When you do 1 and 2, you should get positive numbers. Yeah, you should get those positive numbers. Because, I mean, you guys have the right numbers, just that the sign is not right. Because he started off with $40, and you're trying to see when you buy something, how much he has left. No, but besides that, everything else is good. Anybody have any questions?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Very good. Very good.
I said the red stuff on my name. So you had we got to represent.
Social respect. Okay, I got it. No, you gotta hold it because I'm finna read it. Okay.
Keontae wants
And hold up a little more, right there.
No, hold it.
Come on, guys.
Keontae wants to go both at Harmony both and including Mississippi, right next to No Way Holiday. He wants to invite his whole class and so that they had a pizza bag special. The prices are.
The prices are 20 guests for $200, 30 guests for $300, and 40 guests for $400, 50 guests for $500. And we had to graph the input and the output and see what type of slope it gave us, and we graphed it, and the slope is positive.
Okay, so can you tell me where you put the input and output variables?
The input variables are right here. The output variables are right here.
Okay, so for them it was a little different. But we usually put our input variables where? On the bottom or on the side? On the x-axis or the y-axis?
At the bottom?
The bottom which is called what axis? The x-axis. We usually put our inputs on the x-axis. But if you guys put it like this, then it's fine because you weren't given a function rule to begin with. But usually put those inputs on the x-axis. You can look at that. What's the rule for that? What's the function rule? What are they doing actually for each number?
Multiply by 100.
They're multiplying by 100. Guys, I actually went online and found those. Oh, guys, those are extra prices. That's expensive to me. I'm broke. That's an extra price for all these sorts. At that bowl now, Ralph, tell me what Jose. That's a lot. I said that's a lot.
That's a lot of people.
Yeah, it is a lot of people. I guess it is.
Well, they'll get their own box so you pay $5 for it.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Let's imagine the questions. Oh, last thing, the slope. Tell me about the slope again.
Positive.
It's positive why?
Because this is going up.
It's going up from left to right. And that line is what? Straight. So it's leaning. Do you have any questions for them?
No, sir.
Very good, guys. All right, the John group. You have the last two. Yeah, last group. Guys. Cool. Time to go.
Sabrina was tired of being late to school and getting home late. So she decided to find a quicker way to school from her house. She discovered a straight line path and that had an equation of y equals 3x plus 2. What is the slope and y intercept of Sabrina's new factor? So we did the x and y. The x is slope and y is still. So we did x equals m equals 3 and y equals b equals 2. So we did 3 times 1 equals 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 2 equals 8. 3 plus 3 times 3 equals 9. Plus 11 is the 2 is 11. So we did that.
Okay, whoa, guys. Okay, the slope, okay. So what was you guys' function rule again? What was it, because I can't see it in the problem.
It say y.
Eric, what's our function rule?
Y equals which equals 2 and x equals which equals 3.
Okay, so the function rule was y equals what?
3.
3x plus what? 3x plus 2. Gotta get that. Now, the slope comes from the number that's with your input variable. And what's your input variable? X, right? And so what's the number that was just with your input variable? In the function rule.
3 and 2.
3. And the slope we call m. It's not x. It's not equal to x. The slope is just with m. And your y-intercept is 2. Okay, and so you guys plug into your function rule.
Gyres.
Okay, and since the slope is 3, is that positive or negative?
It's positive.
Positive. And so if you graph it, that line should go where? It should go where?
Straight. Straight.
It's going to be straight, but it's going to go where?
Positive side.
From left to right, it's going to go decrease or increase? Increase. Does anybody have any questions for them? Okay.
What's the answer?
The answer
That-
is chart.
The answer was they had to find the slope and the y-intercept. So tell them what's the slope and the y-intercept.
The slope is S equals M. Huh?
M. Every what's the slope? What's y-intercept?
Y slope is 2, X slope is 3.
You don't have two different slopes. You only have one slope. Your slope is 3. Then M equals 3, guys, that's your slope. Your y-intercept is 2. Okay? And I think we'll have to go back over there again a little bit. Yeah.
So they probably want like what we learned yesterday.
Yeah, because like we got learned yesterday. So we'll go back over there some, okay? Dave.
What they did, they must like put the numbers on X. They must plug it in and add.
Yeah, now they plug in because if your functional is y equals 3x plus 2, right? So when x is 1, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is what? 5. Yeah. All right, guys, very good. Guys, don't forget the problems that your group didn't have. That's what you guys got to do for homework, okay?
So like what?
Guys, I want one person from each group to bring your folks. One person from each
She gave us 2 projects. We have science fair. We just did a reading fair. We're basically doing another reading fair. We're basically doing another reading fair. I don't know. I don't even read a book in class.
Excuse me.
I do the same.
Quinn. Come on. Calculate.
Yeah, come on.
There,
I'm
with
always
the
wondering
rule.
these little pockets in the big pockets. Yeah, mine is. What are they for? Chain? If I put a quarter in there, it's going to get Let's bring it back to that. You know the song.
She gonna try to take this thing.